हांगासर जो आमचे गांवच्या कोपेला देगेक जी मेगा प्रोजेक्ट येता थंयसर हेंच्यांनी रोड एक्सटेंड केल्लो बिल्डरान कोणाचें परमिशन घेनासतना तेन्ना पंचायतीन विचारले पंचायतीन सांगले की आमी ताका परमिशन बीन कितें दिवंक ना म्हणून तरी आसतना तेणी तो रोड वाडयलो म्हणून आमी कंप्लेनूय घातली पंचायतीन आनी तेजें आयज सायड इन्स्पेक्शन आहलें सायड इन्स्पेक्शन येताना आयज फूल पंचायत बॉडी येयल्ली आनी तेंच्यान आनी थोडे कोण तरी थिवेचे मेंबर्सूय आसले तेंच्यांनी हांगासर येयलो रस्तो मेजलो 2-3 कडे तेन्ना रस्तो ते फूल मेजपाक लागले तेन्ना तांकां लोकल्सांनी सांगलें की पयलींचो रस्तो आहा तो मेजा आनी न्यू रस्तो केला तो मेजा आनी हे जेन्ना तेंच्यांनी इन्स्पेक्शन केलें तेन्ना तांकांय ते दिसून येयले नजरेक की बाबा खरेंच ते कितें तरी एक वायलेशन जाल्लें आहा आनी तेंच्यांनी हांगासर कितें सांगलें आपल्या हिसपान एश्युरन्स दिले आनी गेल्यात ते आतां एश्युरन्स दिल्या तेजेर कितल्या मेरेन सारकें रावतले आनी कितें करतले ते तेंचे तेन्ना कळटलें पूण आयज ते मेगा प्रोजेक्टाचेर उलोवचे हाडून रस्त्याचेर उलोवचे हाडून मदींच कितें येयलें हो टॉपीक हाडलो खंयसून तरी कपेलाचेर गेलो कपेलाक आपण हात लावपाक दिवचे ना अशें कितें सांगलें आनी जे रस्त्याचेर उलोवंक जाय आसलें तेजेर तेंच्यांनी आन्सर करूंक ना सो विलेजर्सांनी सांगलें की आमी ह्या इन्स्पेक्शनाचेर जो रिपोर्ट आहा तेजेर सायन मारचे ना सो आतां ते गेल्यात आतां कितें रिपोर्ट धाडटा पळोवया आमी तेंचे कडेन रिक्वेस्ट केल्ली इवन आयज हांगासर अशें दिल्लें की कोण तरी टेररिस्ट बीन येयल्यात काय कितें कित्याक एकदां PI पावना नासले आयज PSI येयलो ओके PSI मेरेन ओके आहले पळयताले एक IPS ऑफिसरूय येयल्ली हांगासर ते पळोवन आमकांय शॉक जालो हांगासर कितें तरी व्हडली टेररिस्ट बीन येवपाचे आहात कितें अशें तांकां मेसेज बीन गावला जावं कोण तरी मोदी जावं अमित शाह बीन येवपाचे आहा काय म्हणून पळयता तसले कोण नासले हे येयल्ले आमकां राखपाक जे विलेजर्स आयज आपल्या रायटा खातीर फायट करतात थियेन हे येयल्ले तांकां प्रोटेक्शन दिवपाक काय पंचायतीक प्रोटेक्शन दिवपाक हें खबर ना पूण ते हांगासर आहले विथ IPS ऑफिसर हे कोण आसोंक काय दुख्ख जाता हे आमकां सजमना जाला सद्या सो अंकल आतां तुमकां सांगतलो कशें कितें आसलें तें आनी इन्स्पेक्शनाचें कितें आसलें.
Good afternoon. I am John Barreto from this village. हांव सांगता की ऑन द 25th of March आमी गेल्ले पंचायतीन टू रिक्वेस्ट द सरपंच टू स्टॉप द वर्क वीच इज गोईंग ऑन. तेन्ना कितें जाल्लें सरपंचान सांगलें वी वील आय वील कम ऑन द सायट अलॉंग विथ स्टॉप ऑर्डर नोटीस पूण तेन्ना अनफॉर्च्युनेटली तेन्ना शटडावन आहलें आनी लायट ना आहलें लायट केम बॅक बाय 2 PM. So we requested the secretary and sarpanch to first physically यात आणि पळयात तुम्ही you see in your own eyes कितें हा रस्त्याचे. So then reluctantly the secretary came along with the panchayat आणि inspection केले आणि they assured us that they will issue the stop work order notice. But to our dismay on the 23rd same day they told us to come to the panchayat चारांक या म्हणले आणि तेणे आमकां हें लेटर दिलें. This letter clearly states that in exercise of powers vested in me as per section 64(1)(j) of JFR Act 1994, you are directed to stop the said illegal construction. It's very clearly mentioned illegal construction of road widening activity touching survey number 302/39A carried out at Gawai TV. So now we want to say that even after issue of this order by the sarpanch as per the powers vested in him, this work has been carried on even after the 25th of March. So it clearly states the builder has violated the orders of the sarpanch, which is a constitutional body, and they have violated it. Now it is very sure that they are hand in glove with all concerned authorities. So they went ahead with the extension of the road, which is illegal, without any work order from the PWD, neither any authorities concerned. They have violated this and went on ahead with the extension and shifting the patras from outside the area inside their project. So this violation has been done by the builders. So I request the authorities to take strict action against the builders who have contravened this order and went ahead with the extension of the road illegally. So first action has to be taken against the builders we went to the panchayat in a peaceful way, but when the sarpanch and the secretary were reluctant and not ready to listen to our views, our, our genuine problems, being the sarpanch and the punch members who were there, they are for the villagers. आमचे villageak लागून ते आसा, and they should be supporting us in this illegal project. Now the Sarpanch has given a statement that I, being a Christian, I will ensure that I will stop, I will see nothing is done to the chapel. But you, as a Sarpanch, you should speak against this project which you have given illegally without any site inspection. As per the law, you should have come personally for the site inspection and then issued the construction license, because the TCP also has failed. They have not visited this site. As per the High Court orders, the TCP has to physically inspect the site and then give the technical clearance. They have failed in their duties, and based on their technical clearance, the Sarpanch and the Punch members have issued the construction license, which is totally against the law when there is not a single 4-meter road existing. They have shown in the plan that it is 6 meters and proposed is 10 meters. And to show it as 10 meters, they have taken the law into their hands, and necessary action has to be taken against the builders. So we as villagers have gathered here in a peaceful manner, not creating any commotion. Our only demand is stop this illegal project and ensure that it is as per the law. So this is a total violation of the law. We will not go again and again to the Sarpanch to request him. I request that he take the necessary action as per the law to stop this project and issue orders for illegal demolition or construction of this road, which is totally illegal. So I request the Sarpanch, the Punch members to take necessary action to
stop the
stop
project.
the project and issue the orders, issue the PWD the necessary instructions that they have violated this road construction without any work order. So the PWD authorities also should come into action to issue necessary actions against the builders who are responsible for continuing with this project despite the objection from the villagers since last 2 months. We are patiently continuing with our agitation as per the law. I was in the defense and I know the rules and regulations. I have maintained discipline, and with my word the villagers are quiet till this date. So if Sarpanch is not in support with us, so we will be hell-bent to take law into our hands. So I again request the Sarpanch and the police authorities that we are a patient, loving Goans who are fighting against the destruction which is happening in Goa. We are not against development, but we want a sustainable development.
Correct.
Protecting the villages, the hills, the fields which is just opposite the chapel. Our ancestors have been cultivating this chapel, this land, this agricultural fields. We don't want any demolition or any destruction to our land, which is our heritage. And I urge the Sarpanch and the concerned authorities to take immediate action in this matter before it goes beyond our control. Thank you very much. Yes,